Hi my dear friends, this is yours Rajshekhar from our SAIMEDHA Dilsukhnagar coaching center, and many people already started their preparation towards assistant engineer in Genco Transco, assistant executive engineer in Tspsc and polytechnic lecturers, etc. And of course many people are preparing for SSC JEE, right? So for SSC JEE, for assistant executive engineer, for polytechnic lecturers, the very important area is that utilization of electrical energy. That is very important area, guys. And of course in our SAIMEDHA Dilsukhnagar we started coaching for like a AE, AEE. Already classes are going on. And for AE, AEE new offline batch will be starts after Diwali on 26th of October. Wednesday we are going to start the new offline batch for AE, AEE. And remember guys, generally if you need a quality of coaching, if you need a quality of preparation, you need to choose the best institute. That is very important, guys. For example, if you join in any other institute because they are giving the very less fee, just for 10,000, just for minimum fees, we can complete the coaching. If you are thinking like that, if that is a highly quality, no problem. But if that is not up to that mark, time waste and money waste, like that, you need to forecast that. Yes or no, guys? For example, నేను ఉన్నాను సార్, నా దగ్గర మనీ లేవు సార్, నేను చాలా తక్కువ మనీతోనే కంప్లీట్ అయ్యేలాగా ఒక కోచింగ్ సెంటర్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి. చాలా తక్కువ మనీతోనే అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మన ఏడబ్ల్యూఈ సిలబస్కి మొత్తం చెప్పించాలంటే ఎన్ని అవర్స్ పడుతుంది? పర్ అవర్కి ఇంత క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే ఒక బెస్ట్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ వచ్చి పర్ అవర్కి ఇంత పే చేస్తే వాళ్ళకి ఎంత పడుతుంది? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇప్పుడు నా ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఉంది సార్, నేను మీ దగ్గర ఫీజు ఒక 2 లక్షలు తీసుకొని 10 లక్షలది చెప్పిస్తానా సార్? ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్? సాలరీస్, రెంట్, ఫ్యాకల్టీ, బుక్స్, అంటే నేను క్వాలిటీగా ఇవ్వాలంటే ఒక ఆప్టిమం ఫీజు అనేది నేను పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఆప్టిమం ఫీజు అనేది పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో దట్ ఆప్టిమం. సో ఎవరైతే ఈ దివాళీ తర్వాత న్యూ ఆఫ్లైన్ బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతారో, యాక్చువల్లీ 30,000 సార్ ఫీ ఫర్ ఏడబ్ల్యూఈ, బట్ ఎవరైతే ఈ దివాళీ తర్వాత జాయిన్ అవుతారో దే విల్ గెట్ 33% కన్సెషన్ జస్ట్ at 20,000 the total AE AEE syllabus. AE AEE syllabus just for 20,000, that too only 2 days offer sir. ఇంకా మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే, క్వాలిటీని చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి అనుకుంటే, యూ కెన్ కమ్ టు సాయిమేధా దిల్సుఖ్నగర్. దిల్సుఖ్నగర్లో వెంకటాద్రి థియేటర్ పక్కన గల్లీలో ఉంటుంది సార్. వెంకటాద్రి థియేటర్ పక్కన గల్లీలో మీరు అక్కడికి వస్తే వెన్స్డే రోజు క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది, మీరు వచ్చి వినొచ్చు. వెన్స్డే రోజు రమణ సార్ ఏం చెప్పాడు సార్, అక్కడ నేను ఉంటాను సార్ క్లాస్లో. అదర్ ఫ్యాకల్టీస్ కూడా ఎలా చెప్తారు. జనరల్లీ మన ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ లో రమణ సార్ ఎక్స్ ట్రాన్స్కో ఏడీ 25+ ఇయర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ సార్. నెట్వర్క్స్ డీల్ చేస్తాడు, పవర్ సిస్టమ్ డీల్ చేస్తాడు. అండ్ మై సెల్ఫ్ రాజశేఖర్, నేను ఎలక్ట్రికల్ మెషిన్స్ డీల్ చేస్తాను. షూర్లీ ఎలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ అయినా ఫర్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ I will give you maximum effort sir. You can get 95% of questions. You can answer 95% of questions. Other than that, other faculty team ఎలా ఉంది? If you want to check, come to on Wednesday. Material కానీ, exams కానీ, everything. So don't waste your money and time by choosing the normal. You need to take the best coaching. Yes? So if you have any doubts, you can contact. I will be here 9494941234. Technically అండ్ ఇంకేదైనా మీకు హెల్ప్ ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఏదైనా ఉన్నా సరే యూ కెన్ కాల్ టు మీ. I can give you the complete analysis, how to prepare, what we have to prepare. నా నుంచి మీకు 100% సపోర్ట్ ఉంటుంది సార్, in terms of technical and ethical, whatever it may be. రైట్ సార్. అండ్ ఇందాక UWE గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. UWE లో illumination, traction, majority, of course heating, welding also. ఏ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ లో తీసుకున్నా సరే మన నోట్స్ లోంచి 90 to 95% ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి సార్. 1-2 క్వశ్చన్ మిస్ అవుతే చెప్పలేను. అది కూడా మీరు కొంచెం బేసిక్ నాలెడ్జ్ తో ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ లాస్ ఆఫ్ ఇల్యూమినేషన్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్ సార్. ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం న్యూమరికల్ క్వశ్చన్ అడగాలి అనుకుంటే దే విల్ కాన్సంట్రేట్ ఆన్ లాస్ ఆఫ్ ఇల్యూమినేషన్. లాస్ ఆఫ్ ఇల్యూమినేషన్ మనకి 2 లాస్ ఉన్నాయి సార్. ఒకటి ఇన్వర్స్ స్క్వేర్ లా, ఇంకొకటి లంబర్ట్స్ కొసైన్ లా. ఇన్వర్స్ స్క్వేర్ లా, లంబర్ట్స్ కొసైన్ లా. Inverse square law nothing but, for example, here my lamp is there which is at h meters of height, with some intensity of candela power, 1000 candela power. Now I want to calculate the illumination at this point. For example, I want to calculate somewhere like that. If you want to calculate illumination at this point, this is the distance between lamp and the point, and this is the height, and this is the angle theta. Lamp is posted at h meters height. I want to calculate illumination at this point, which is d meters of distance between the point and the lamp. Now I want the illumination. That illumination is inversely proportional to square of the distance. That illumination is directly proportional to cos theta. From these 2 laws, what you considered here, the illumination is directly proportional to cos theta upon d square. If you remove this proportionality, one constant here, the intensity is the constant Cp into cos theta by d square. Cp multiplied with cos theta upon d square. This is what the illumination at this point. From this equation, for example, from here, what is cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but adjacent angle upon the hypotenuse. If you substitute this value here, what you will get? The illumination E is equals to Cp cos theta h by dq. Based on this, generally we will go to approach the answer. For example, from this, the distance d is equals to h by cos theta. Substitute the d value here. What you will get? The illumination E is equals to Cp into cos theta by d square. H square by cos square, which is nothing but cos cube theta. So illumination directly proportional to cos cube theta. According to Lambert's cosine law, illumination directly proportional to cos theta. If they not mentioned Lambert's cosine law, actually the illumination directly proportional to cos cube theta. For example, if you want E maximum, illumination maximum, the maximum illumination is equals to how much? To get the maximum illumination, the cos theta should be maximum. Cos theta maximum, nothing but the 1. Theta is the 0 degrees. Yes or no, guys? To get the maximum, the distance should be minimum. What is the minimum distance? The minimum distance is the height. Here distance 10 meters, here distance 5 meters. For example, if you go here, the distance will increase. The minimum distance is the height. So distance should be minimum, that is equals to height. Now tell me, the E max is equals to CP multiplied with cos theta should be 1 upon d square, nothing but h square, which is equals to Cp by h square is the answer. E maximum. Where we can get the maximum, sir? For example, this is my light, if this is my lamp, if this is my projected plane, if my projected plane is here, if my point is here, here the illumination is maximum. The projected plane should be perpendicular to the light rays. Perpendicular to the light rays. At this condition, the theta is equals to 0 degrees, the distance is equals to height, then the illumination is maximum. This is very most wanted important. Okay? Are you getting or not, guys? Yes? Right? For example, if my projected plane is here, then can you tell me what is illumination at this point? If my projected plane is parallel to the light rays, if my projected plane is here, then what is the angle? The angle here is the 90 degrees. If theta is equals to 90 degrees, what is the illumination at this point? The illumination is 0. If my projected plane is perpendicular to the light rays, the illumination is 0. If my projected plane is perpendicular to the light rays, illumination is maximum. If it is perpendicular to the light rays, illumination is maximum. If it is parallel to the light rays, illumination is 0. This is previously NPDCL question. This is many times asked in many competitive exams. This is regularly asking numerical question in all types of examinations. Of course, based on this also they will ask you questions. So I will discuss only one numerical problem, which is recently asked in our SPDCL sub-engineer. Recently, July 31st, right? On the July 31st. What they asked you? Actually, what they asked you in your question paper, in sub-engineering question paper, they given an excellent question. They given that 2 lamps are posts at 15 meters of height each. These are apart of 20 meters, which is mounted at 15 meters of height, and each lamp 100 cp. Each lamp 100 cp. Now can you tell me the illumination under the each lamp? Can you tell me the illumination under the each lamp? This is the question they asked. Can you tell me the answer, guys? In the options they given 0.44. In another option they given 0.54. In another option they given I think 0.5. In another option they given I think 0.51, like that they given. So actually you felt that this is very easy because illumination below the lamp they asked. Illumination below the lamp E is equals to Cp upon H square. E is equals to Cp upon H square, right? You felt it's very easy question, sir. The illumination E is equals to Cp upon H square. Cp they given 100. Height they given 15. 15 square 225. 100 out of 225. If you calculate, you will get 0.44, which is in our options. Is there, guys? Yes, I can get the job. You feel like that. But of course, due to this lamp, the illumination on this point is 0.44. But due to this lamp also will give some its contribution, right? So due to this lamp also some illumination will be there, that like this, what is the formula? Cp into h by d cube. Cp into h by d cube. Cp is the 100, the height is the 15, out of d cube 20 square plus 15 square. According to Pythagoras, 400 plus 225, 625, root 625 is the 25. 25 cube. 25 cube, 625 into 25. If you calculate its value 0.096, if you calculate its value 0.096 change. So completely how much? If you add both, nearly 0.536 etc. whatever, 0.54 is the approximate exact answer. So see how they asked you for sub-engineers. So like that, they are giving excellent questions. Even in our electrical machines, even in our power systems, if you know the concepts exactly, then only you will get the job, guys. Generally, if you are master in only one subject, you won't get the job. That is not possible. You will be the master in all the subject. Then only you will get the optimum marks, around 80. Then only you will get the job. Okay guys, generally the competition is very high. So your preparation gives you results. Your main intention is that you have to get the job, right? Then why are you sacrificing few things? Start your preparation immediately, guys. If you have any doubts, any queries, any whatever the suggestions, you can call to this number 9494941234. Of course, in Illumination, this is the one important question to ask in numericals. Another important question to find the number of lamps. They will give you the illumination. They will give you the area of the room. They will give some utilization factor, some reduction factor, some reflection factor, some waste light factor, etc. They will give you the lamp efficiency. Now they will ask you what is the power required, how many lamps we required, what is the power rating of the lamp. This is the expected numerical question. I will discuss in next class. Right guys, please share this information to all of your friends. SAIMEDHA Dilsukhnagar, Dr.G.Ramana sir, myself Rajshekhar sir, and other excellent faculties here.